follower. It needs two main things I'm going to go through in today's video. So, tip number one, or the first thing, is followers technique. What I mean by followers technique is the things that you do to execute your leader's intention in the dance. Those are things like keeping your posture. If you haven't already checked out my video on how to master your Kizomba posture, don't forget to check that out. I'll put the link in the top there. So things like keeping your posture, keeping your balance, changing your weight. Yes, those are all things I do as follower technique. Yes, and then lady styling is how you add your own creativity, how you make the dance yours, how you sprinkle that seasoning on your dance. So you might do extra things like extra footwork in a move, or again, a lot of support work, or you might do also known as chingas, so keeping your body movement fluid and how you execute those moves, adding your own flavor. They're both important, yes? And I'm going to go through them now to show you how you can do them in the couple dance. So what does that look like in the dance? How do I incorporate following technique and lady styling? So I have my helper here, Charles, and let's show you. So, yes, so that is following technique. So that is transferring my weight slowly. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Yes? So that's transferring my weight and being responsive to the arm movement that that the leader is giving me in order to change my direction. Yes? So how do I do lady styling in this move? So the difference in here is lady styling. I still use my followers technique, but because I have good followers technique, I can start to add my own creativity and styling. So I do like an extra sort of like a bend down, and I like straighten my legs in order to give it a little feel and look, rather than just the normal transferring my weight here. Yes? And that's literally the difference. To be the ultimate follower, we need both following techniques, so that's transferring your weight, using your core and tricks, and being responsive to the lead when they're changing your direction. And we have our lady styling, so it's adding your creativity, your flavor on those moves to make them special and to make them your own. To be the ultimate follower, we use both, so it's important that you work on both to be that ultimate follower. Don't forget to hit like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell. Don't forget you can contact me in all the details in the description box below, so you can find me on Facebook at McKiztosh Dance and Instagram at McKiztosh.dance, and also contact me if you want any private lessons. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.